all, Chris Bassett here, and I'll be showing you how to use the Holmes Cool Mist Humidifier along with some troubleshooting tips. Let's get into it.
Humidifiers are good for, relief of dry air. So especially in the wintertime, you may get like chapped lips or scratchy throat. This humidifier comes in two pieces. It's the top lid with the fan unit. Additionally, it comes with a humidity monitor that can be helpful for, checking your house humidity. Experts recommend somewhere between 40 and 60% humidity. Here's the bottom half of the humidifier. It's the tank. It holds the filter and water. Something to consider is that you'll want to use distilled water. If you're using tap water, the extra sediment can cause, mold and other mildew to grow faster. So that does come with a filter that is an antimicrobial. You can see the life of the filter here. White is obviously brand new, and then the browner it gets before you got to pitch it. You can order new filters online or through the store. Here's the tank water fill level window. Shows you how much water's in there. And then the filter just sets in there like so. The lid with the fan sits on top. It has an on-off switch. It has a 3-foot cord, and then it plugs into a 110 outlet. It's fairly quiet, so you can use it at night without too much disturbance. So you'll place the humidifier in the room where you want to increase the humidity and then fill up the water level. It's roughly 2 gallons of distilled water. Then you'll place the lid on top, plug it in, and turn it on. Air enters the right side of the humidifier, so make sure not to block that. It then passes through the filter, and then it's pushed upward through the fan, so don't block the top either. It's recommended that you clean the bottom tank at least weekly to prevent mold and mildew buildup. Also, try not to keep your room too humid, as that can produce mold and mildew in the room. If you're noticing that the room is still too dry, it may be too large. This humidifier is only qualified for up to 420 square foot rooms. You may want to double check the water level, obviously, or weather stripping around windows and doors. If there's a lot of dry air entering, the humidifier won't be able to counteract the drying effect. Hey, check out another video over here. I've got Amazon links down in the description. Check out those links. You help support, no extra cost. I really appreciate that. Any other questions or comments, put below. Thanks.